Yep. All right, what's going on, guys? So I recorded the other video like this. I really liked how it came out. It looked awesome, but I want to talk about the Citizen program. So a lot of why I'm asking that is because people have been asking me, how do I get into options trading? How do I learn it front to back? So one thing we're working on right now for all the citizens is A to Z library, a video library of how to trade options. So when you become a citizen, you'll get access to our video library right now, which we already have. All citizens, you'll have it. I think it already has like maybe 20 or 30 hours so far of past webinars, past newsletters, unreleased videos that even guys on YouTube don't get, and all the other ones that came out before that, just specific lesson plans. But we're coming out with the A to Z on how to get with options. Why I'm saying this, why I want to talk about the Citizen, because a lot of people are confused with how it works, who it's for, and what they'll get out of it. And what I'll even tell you right now, if you want to learn options front to back, you become a citizen and come to the webinars. Because right now, in the meantime, while we're working on the libraries, if you come to webinar and you're a citizen, or you want to learn how to trade options front to back and you're not a citizen, become a citizen. Come to the webinar on Sunday and just ask me, what is an option? What is the strike price? What's this? We have videos on them that we've uploaded on the library right now. They're there. But if you want to ask them yourself and learn the basics, we'll give you resources. That's all you got to do. And it's funny because someone asked me, what resources should we look up? We will give you the resources, but the best part is you're going to have guys like me and Brendan and all the other brothers in the fraternity there to help you. So you're learning from a live person. So that's the number one hardcore thing. So now what the Citizen basically is, it's our private newsletter, chat room, video library, and I think that's it. Yeah, newsletter, chat, video library, and the real estate chat. That's what it is too. So we have the chat room. So every day, Monday through Friday, that's where all the guys, the brothers, Monday through Friday, guys like brothers, myself included, we're in the chat room. That's where all the other citizens are. You could talk about your plays. Again, we're not really all about day trading, but you could bring up plays, bring up ideas, see news, see what's happening, talk about it, even just ask general questions, and that's where you could ask your options, stocks, any questions you like. So there's that. It's a private chat. You could DM us. You could ask questions to Brendan in the chat, get any support, and just network with other traders, which is great. We already have over 100 people in there now, and that's just citizens, not including any of the other brothers. So we have about like a couple hundred people there now. So I encourage you guys to get in there. Then we have the newsletter. We send that out a couple times a month, and 1 to 4 times depending on how active. And that's just what happened in the market that day or that week, the course, the big plays, earnings that are coming up, IPOs that are coming up, the top highlights, the top flukes, what happened on a day-to-day, a weekly lesson, and how pretty much what we do is take that newsletter, and then on Sunday we have a private webinar. You could come in, literally talk to me just like I'm talking to you now, but you're not responding. So you would be able to respond. You have a mic, you can talk to me, ask your questions, and I go over what happened that week, that month, explain the newsletter, and explain how you could use the past information. And I'm not saying use past to predict the future, but the whole idea is like, what do you get from the newsletter? Why am I going to sign up for a newsletter and chat room service? It's not to get alerts and get it on your phone, trade it, and go travel the fucking world, or whatever you want to call it. No, it's so that you can literally learn how we're going about our plays. So you could see, okay, what is Josh Answers in the trading fraternity? What are these guys looking at? How are they finding these plays? You're going to see what type of news I'm looking at. Why did this event attract my attention? What type of response did this buyout cause? So after you guys start to see these and notice these, you'll start to learn pretty much the dynamics of the market and how it works, and that's how you guys will become educated traders. So there's that. And lastly, we have the real estate chat. You just talk about real estate questions. You can post listings, post anything related to it, and my brother's in there. He'll answer your questions, your personal finance questions, and then we also even have private real estate webinars. So that's pretty much to sum it up. If you become a citizen, how it works, there's 2 ways. You can go to ttfcitizen.com, and that's the quick sign up. That's what I call. We use that site. It's not really too updated there. We will be soon, but you can go there, sign up quickly, ttfcitizen.com, or go to thetradingfraternity.com. Go to the bottom of the site. You'll see information, and you can sign up there. But once you sign up, it'll take about 24 hours. You'll get an email from us. It'll take 24 hours or less. You'll get an email from us. It'll give you your login, how to access the chat room, how to get the video library and everything, and boom, you'll be added to the newsletter automatically. Newsletters come out once every Sunday, chat room's up every day, and citizen webinars are every Sunday. They come with newsletter Saturday, webinars on Sunday, and then also citizen webinars on Monday and Wednesday, and then every other week on Thursday for real estate. So we do a lot of webinars. The community has been getting a lot bigger. That's why I'm making these videos, because as we've grown, as a lot of the YouTube channel and new guys learning have been coming and joining, we want to now tell you guys, hey, this is how the citizen process works, so you could take advantage of it, because a lot of people don't know we're having 4 or 5 webinars a day. We have a full newsletters, they don't know how to access it. So come ask it, you know, ask us questions, use it. But a lot more people now, and it's awesome. So you guys join, hit me up if you have any questions for it. And again, even if you're not looking to join, you don't want to join, it's too much money, there is other resources, and we're going to make another video explaining that. But right away, if you want to learn options, go to doe.com. I don't recommend selling puts and selling premium. That's not what I do. That's not part of my strategy at all. But they'll teach you about options. Investopedia.com. They'll teach you everything about any definition. And then just go look at our tutorials that we're putting out here for free. So either way, just because you're a citizen or not doesn't mean don't talk to us. But at the same time, if you do want to take it to that level, I encourage you all to become citizens, because what we're doing with it, the events we're throwing, the webinars, and just like how active the community is, and you know, we got all different levels of traders. I really want you guys there. So hit me up, ask me some questions, send me an email, tradingfraternity@gmail.com. Make sure you guys are subscribed, liked, all that good stuff too. Stay in school. Love you.